Hi students, இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது exercise 1.4. So exercise 1.4ல second sum பார்க்க போகிறோம். So revisionல homework third sum, ninth sum, example 1.15, 1.17, 1.19 இது நீங்கள் இதே பேட்டர்னாக வச்சு ட்ரை பண்ணணும். ஸோ இதில் given வந்து f is defined a to b. So a is a domain, b is a codomain. So a to b domain and codomain. F of x இங்கே define பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. It is x by 2 minus 1. So f of x is defined by x by 2 minus 1. A set கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, it's a domain. B set ஓட elements கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, it's a codomain. So நம்ம இங்கே 4 விஷயம் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. The set of ordered pair, table, arrow diagram and then graph. So இந்த 4 போடணும். Important 5 marks இது. So first ordered pair கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி so domain ஓட each and every elements வந்து x. So domain ஓட ஒரு elements x. x2 எடுத்துட்டு f of x அவங்க கொடுத்திருக்கிறதுல அப்ளை பண்ணுவோம். f of x is x by 2 minus 1ல அப்ளை பண்ணுவோம். So your x is 2. So f of 2 is 2 by 2 minus 1. Cancel பண்ணிடுவோம். 1 minus 1 0. So x is 2 means f of 2 is 0. Next x is 4. F of 4 is, so 4 by 2 minus 1. Cancel these two. 2 minus 1 is 1. So if x is 4 means f of 4 is 1. So x is next value 6. F of 6 is 6 by 2 minus 1. It is cancelled. 3 minus 1. It is 2. So next x is 10. Your f of 10 is 10 by 2 minus 1. It is 5 minus 1. 4. So x is next value 12. So f of 12 is 12 by 2 minus 1. Getting cancelled 6 times. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So your x value a is a domain. Domain values are taken as the x. So you are getting just values of the f of x values. So it is your range. Now we are going to write the set of ordered pairs. The first subdivision, set of ordered pair. Set of ordered pair means it is ordered either 2 comma point மாதிரி எழுதுறது தான் ordered pair. So ordered லேட்டே பார்த்துருப்போம். So ordered pair னா point shape எழுதணும். First is x value, next is y, bracket comma எல்லாம் போட்டு எழுதுறது தான் ordered pair. So it is your x value 2 means your f of x is, that is y. So y is 0. So 2 comma 0, 4 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 10 comma 4, 12 comma 5. This is the set of ordered pair. So next table. Second one, table. So table. So table means x, y எழுதுறது தான் table. That is y is your f of x. f of x னு சொல்லலாம், y னு சொல்லலாம். It is y. So write this as a table. So how many values? 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. The table எழுதுவோம். Just this values only 2, 0. That is 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. இதுதான் உங்களோட table values. So it is a table. Number 3, arrow diagram. So arrow diagram, so it is function f, it is domain, it is codomain. A oda values in the domain 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. B oda values in the codomain 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. It is an arrow diagram. It is just you have to mark the values mapping. So 2 is going to 0. So 2 it's 0. Next to 4 it is mapping to 1. It is 6. 6 is mapping to 2. 10 is mapping to 4 and 12 is mapping to 5. So 9 is not a mapping. It's not having a mapping. So it is a arrow diagram. Arrow which just domain to codomain range mark pandrathu. So 2's f of x value is 0. So mapping. So 2 is mapping to 0. It is your arrow diagram. Next one, a graph. So graph. So graph just you have to take x-axis, y-axis, origin. So just to plot these points. All the values are positive, only taken positives. So 2, 0. So it is. So the maximum value of x is 12. So I am taking 2 units. So the maximum value of y is 5. So I am taking 1 units. So I am just mapping now 2, 0.2 and then 0, the same position. And then next I am mapping 4, 1. So it is 4 and then here 1. So next it is 6, 2. Our mapping is 6 and then the y-axis is 2. Next I am mapping is 10, 4. It is here 10, it is 4. It is 10, 4. Next 12, 5. It is 12 in the x-axis, the y-axis is 5. So join these points, it is your graph. This is your graph. Don't extend this. This is your graph. So this is the important 5 marks. So here they are asking set of ordered pairs, table, arrow diagram, a graph. So x is 2 and then y is x is 4, 6, 8, 6, 10, 12. You are just finding the set of all ordered pairs. So x oda values எடுத்து உங்களோட define பண்ணியிருக்கிற functionல போட்டா you will get y values. And the x values and y values ordered pair எழுதணும். And then next to table எழுதணும். Next x க்கு what is the values mapping. So y னா அதை வந்து graphல எழுதணும், arrow diagram எழுதணும். அடுத்தது graphல அந்த points plot பண்ணி just join the points. This is your graph. So this is the important question. The same model. So exercise 3, 9 also. So 1.15 example, 1.17, 1.19. So this sum model, you just do the exercise and then examples. These sums are important sums in this exercise. So 3, 9, 1.15, 1.17, 1.19 and then this sum. So these are all very important. 5 marks in this case. And then some 2 marks also there. So இதில் இருக்கிற இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் சம் இந்த எக்ஸசைஸில் இதுதான். ஸோ இதை பேட்டர்னாக வச்சு இதில் என்னென்ன சம் உங்களால் முடியுமோ எல்லாத்தையும் நீங்கள் ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும். இட்ஸ் அ ரிவிஷன் வீடியோஸ். ஸோ தட் ஐ எம் ஜஸ்ட் டூயிங் த ஒன் சம் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் அண்ட் தென் கவர்ட் ஆல் த திங்ஸ். சப்போஸ் 2 மார்க்ஸ் கேட்குறதா இருந்தால் they are asking only 2 set of ordered pairs and table alone. Otherwise set of ordered pairs and graph. Otherwise any 2 or any 3 they are asking for 2 marks and then they are asking all the 4 means it's a 5 marks. So the function வச்சு define பண்ணுற y values தான் it is very important. Other things is very easy only. So ordered pair na pair எழுதணும் point மாதிரி. First x next y value. This f of x name is y. F of x is a function that's name is also y. So அது table எழுதணும். அதே மாதிரி arrow diagram எழுதணும். Here the function f domain codomain. First a always, next the b, that is codomain. So maintain that order and then mapping all the individual elements. And then graph here, Graph means usually we know that. So points அப்படியே plot பண்ணி just to join, that is the graph. So today's this is important sum over. Next video I am just doing the next important sums in this exercise, another model. So today's class over. Bye students, take care.